Perfect, 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 perfect.
But yeah, here's the turbo that Monkey Wrenching sent me, and I can't thank him enough. Like, this is such a amazing turbo. To think that when I started turbocharging cars, I tried to stay away from these turbos because I was so scared of them. I thought they would break. But they're very, very nicely built. These they don't have any, they don't spin, they spin freely, but it's just they don't spin like ball bearings. They just stop once you spin it. There's no going and going. But you can see here we got oh, this is Haggard parts. We got the gaskets. I've had this for a while. This is the V-band clamp. Very cool. It's a V-band, which is the first I've ever had of a V-band. So I'm very excited. It looks very fun to weld up and all that jazz. But here's the 4-bolt T3 turbo flange, and yep, that'll do it. Hold on, before I leave, let me show you the last little section over here. We got the all the valves and all the parts, everything ordered perfectly. Nothing out of place. Even got the little retainers inside. Okay, and here's the head. As you can see, put the exhaust manifold back on. I'm just trying to mock up the how I'm gonna do the turbo manifold. So, yep. And intake is like here. Jeez. They're bent pretty bad. But yeah. So let's just take another look. Yeah, I don't see any. Well, one thing we could do is let's do a quick indication really quickly on these valves. Make sure they're still pretty straight. I'll see if I can try to set this up somehow. Let me think. Well, first let me take this 10mm off. I'll be right back. What's going on, guys? ScienceofSpeed here, and this is my first video for the Prelude $500 Turbo Challenge. So, thank you to 802 Garage and to Wideband. They were really nice to me, and
and let me come in late. So thank you so much, and big shout out to Monkey Wrenching. He's an awesome person, very genuine, and he sent me the turbo that he most generously offered me. So just the T3 T4, and it's got an internal wastegate like I asked. That just means I won't have to order another wastegate, and it's got a V-band connection. I'm gonna get you a little closer look at everything. Wish I had some light around here. Here, let me move a little bit closer. But it's a very nice turbo. It's got a 3-inch opening, regular T3, hot flange, and I have not received the adapter plates for the oil drain and the feed, so I'm waiting on that. I just ordered the hoses, but I just cleaned my head. It took all night because I don't have like a nice hot, bath, engine bath. But I did it with boiling water and a lot of detergent and some. Yep. See? There's a couple two. It's only 2 bent valves. It's only 2. Oh wait, nope. 2 over here too. Intake on number. They look pretty good, but there's some water. There is some water. I love. Hey, didn't see you there. Well, I'm just finishing up, cleaning up after a long day's work. Chilling with my 2 technicians. We got Brody here. He's technician. He's my main metal technician. He cuts out all the pie cuts, and yeah, I don't do any of that. That's him. And then we got Gidgy. She's the main mechanic around here. She inspects everything, makes sure everything is looking tip top. We want that Honda quality control we're talking about. So yeah, we got a whole crew here, and look at them. They are on top of everything. They're good. So if you just want any more of my stuff, I'm always doing something in the garage. Science of Speed. Check it out. YouTube, Instagram, and check out the $500 Turbo Challenge, 802 and wideband. And check for all the other contestants in the links below. Peace.